Wait, did y'all know Cash App make clothes? Neither did I. And surprisingly, it's not that bad. What's up, boss dogs? It's Curtis Dino, and today we're back with another video. And we're going to be discussing Cash by Cash App. And I promise you this isn't a sponsored video. I gotta tell somebody, I really don't have a lot of spaces to speak my mind about clothes. And all 300 people that watch my videos, hopefully this one gets more than 300. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Question, when y'all shop, do y'all shop by collections or do y'all go to shop all price low to high like me? I don't know. What should we do? So collection says Mood Capsule, Laquan Smith for Cash by Cash. Oh, that's tough. Laquan Smith. We love a good black designer. Future Nature, Hot Girl Enterprise. That's probably the Meg collection because I've seen her do commercials for them. And then Collection 1. I'm gonna do. What should we do? Should we shop all or should we shop by collection? Let's shop by collection. All right, so we're gonna shop by collections and let's go. All right, so I'm gonna start with the Mood Capsule. Let's see what that's about. All right, so the prices are a little steep for what I was saying Cash App. I mean, cause it's like merch in a way. So we got a Mood bag, Mood bomber, Mood pullover V-neck, Mood crew t-shirt, Mood hoodie, Mood bucket hat. Like none of this stuff just screams like I would want to like buy it. You know what I'm saying? Like, cause I feel like if it's not, how do I say, like, it's not like a brand that like you kind of, you know, like want to buy into their store or anything, because it's Cash App. So like what would make you, like, you would really have to like the clothes. Okay, let's try Hot Girl Enterprise. Let's see what that's. Okay, this looks like Flaming Hot Cheetos. Like, this is not good. I get like Hot Girl is her brand, but this is just like, the shirt isn't bad, right? But the shorts, that literally looks like Hot Cheetos. That's just not cool. All right, let's go to Collection 1. Let's see what that's about. See, instantly I think this is dope. Like, this is what I expect to see, because this, like, you would want to buy no matter the brand. Like, I'm actually surprised they have stuff this look cool looking. And like, this isn't bad. Like, cause like $45 for a sweatshirt, $35 for the sweatpants. Like, that's not only reasonable, but like, look at this guy. Like, this is something like, I would wear this. I mean, it's cool, and I don't think it's that expensive. And if people are like, where'd you get that from? Cash App. They be like, what? Like, you paid for it on Cash App? No, this is actually Cash App. Like, wait, what? Yeah. See, like, some of this stuff, like, I wouldn't want to pay $50 for like any of those hoodies. But like this, oh, $150. But like, if this was $100 or like $90, that would be super tough. And it's not that I'm saying like the clothes should be cheap, but it's just like, wow. Like, I don't want a shirt that says Cash by Cash App, even if it's $20. But like, oh, see, if, and these are like, especially if you're into that skater look, I think these are very cool. For $60, they're not bad. They look quality, 100% cotton, flat. Yeah, like, that doesn't, so like, and they're made in LA. That's dope. And that might be why, that might explain some of the pricing, because they're made in LA. Assuming everything is probably made in LA, which is dope. All right, let's go to Laquan Smith. I'm kind of excited for Laquan Smith. Oh, see this right here. Laquan Smith for Cash by Cash App bomber jacket, $300. Now, bro, like, I love Laquan Smith. I love everything he does. Now, but $300, I mean, let's see what the material is really quickly. Faux leather. See, that's, but I get it's made in New York. It's by Laquan Smith. It has his signature on it, so I can maybe see that. But $300 is pretty steep for a faux leather jacket. But this bodysuit is everything, because he designs bodysuits like this all the time for his brand already, and I'm sure they're probably much more than $200. So this is really dope for $200. It's sheer. You don't know who it's by. Oh, and it got the money sign, so that's kind of cool and corny at the same time. But this necklace eats. They should have sold that. But like, this is tough to me. I think this is worth $200. They still have all sizes. All of the Afterpay. You do Afterpay on your Cash App card. Leggings, $100. And I get the pricing because it is Laquan Smith, so it is a brand, a luxury brand, you know. Is that Ugly Worldwide? I love this model. Let's see what else we got. And lastly, Future Nature. I saved this one for last because it sounds like it has a cool name. Okay, like this is cool. This bomber jacket for $140. This is tough. That's tough. Cool bodysuits, $400. Nice set. Oh, this is kind of cool for $60 and $35. Like, I would wear this. This is cool for every day. Once again, this is cool. Like, this type of sweater with this fit and these leggings. Like, and by the way, I love the diversity in the modeling. That's super tough. Like, look at this. This is so tough. Like, this is a fit. And it looks good on different body proportions. And it's not that expensive at all. This is good. Like, you don't, like, it doesn't matter who this is by. You will want this, you know? Wait, they have knitwear? For under $100? Oh, this is good. This is good. A long cardigan. This is good. Look at this. Creature handmade crochet long cardigan. I would buy this. Like, I kind of need this now. I would wear this a lot. Like, you can see I love knitwear. So this is really nice. $80 for this? Bro, this is tough. Am I gassing it? Not crazy about the hoodies. Oh, this crop front sweatshirt. See, like, this is design right here. Who designed this stuff? And I love stuff that's unisex. Kind of lost me with the logo, but hey, it's kind of tough. I think it's more of a women's piece, but I'm sorry. The older white lady is eating everybody up. Once again, another cardigan, but this sweater right here with the Bitcoin B. Oh no. This is so embarrassing, but the camera cut off, so I'm using an old clip. But in short, I was just trying to say that this sweater vest is super tough, and in addition to the sweater vest being tough, I really love the pick how they took and tied the two pieces together. But other than that, guys, I'm just so shocked that Cash App has all of this dope stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to let you know some other cool stuff that I come across, let me know. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Stay untouchable. Godspeed.